Hello students, welcome back to our new YouTube video. So in this video, I will explain one of the most important long answer questions for your economics first year supplementary exam in a very simple and exam friendly way. And this question will guarantee come into your examination. You will treat this question as a gunshot question. So today our gunshot question is what is national income and what are the methods of calculating national income? This question will come for 10 marks in your examination. Let's start. National income means the total market value of all final goods and services that are produced in a country in a year. This is called national income. Let's understand this national income definition with a simple example. Let's understand this national income definition with a simple example. Imagine a country which produces rice worth 50,000 rupees, clothes worth 30,000 rupees, and mobile services worth 20,000 rupees. So when you combine all these three value, you will get a total value. So the total value will be 50,000 for the rice, 30,000 for the clothes, and 20,000 for the mobile services. If you combine all this, you will get the total value of 1 lakh rupees. That 1 lakh rupees will be treated as the national income because in that particular 1 year, the country produces the total value of 1 lakh final goods and services. Okay, so here the national income will become 1 lakh. Let's see the methods of calculating national income. So there are three methods to calculate national income. The first method is output method, the second method is income method, and the third method is expenditure method. Let's understand what is output method, what is income method, and what is expenditure method. Output method, this method is also called as product method. In this method, we will calculate the total production value which we produce in a particular year. If you want to write the output method in the examination, just you have to copy the definition which we have learned in the national income. So see the same definition here, the total market value of all final goods and services that are produced within the nation. In the national income definition, there is within the country, but in the output method, there is within the nation in a year. To calculate the output method, we have a formula called GVA, which means gross value added method, equal to price 1, quantity 1, P2, Q2 up to PN, QN. So if you combine all these price and quantity, we will get the total value. The total value is itself shows the output method. The second method is income method. From which sources are we getting the income? So income method can be calculated with four factors of production. The income which we earned from four factors of production. So the four factors of production include land, labor, capital, and organization. See how we generate income from these four factors of production. From land, we will generate rent. As the labor is working, he will generate income in the form of wage. If we give capital, you will getting the income in the form of interest. And if you start an organization, you will getting the income in the form of profit. So the formula for calculating income method is national income is equal to R plus W plus I plus P, where R stands for rent, W for wages, I for income, and P for profit. And the last method is expenditure method. It means whatever the income we will be getting, out of that we have to spend some amount for different purposes. Total which we are spending, which we are incurring in the form of expenses will come under the expenditure method. So here the definition is the total expenses incurred within the societal value. The expenditure is incurred on household, on firms, on government, on export and imports. So whatever the income we are earning, we are spending on different parts. So the different parts of expenditure includes expenditure on firms and expenditure on government and expenditure on export and import. As we export something and we import something, there will be some type of expenditure that will be calculated in expenditure method. Expenditure on government includes paying taxes to the government. That value will be considered also in expenditure method. Expenditure on household means whatever the expenditure we are spending for our household items will become under expenditure on a household. The formula for calculating expenditure method is national income is equal to expenditure on household, expenditure on firm, expenditure on government, and X minus M, expenditure on export minus the expenditure on import. So this is the formula to calculate the expenditure method. So these are the three methods which is used to calculate the national income. So this is your answer. I hope you understand the answer. If you guys understand the answer, then do like and share within your college groups. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming answers.